Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Azerion, and you're watching Team Azerion, where we explore the world of cybersecurity and ethical hacking the right way. Today, we're diving into how brute force attacks can target Instagram accounts and how tools like Instabreaker work behind the scenes. Remember, we're doing this in a test environment to demonstrate cybersecurity principles. Step 1. Update packages. This updates all your Termux packages to the latest versions, ensuring smooth installation. Step 2. Install Python. We need Python to run Instabreaker. The -y auto confirms the installation. Step 3. Clone the GitHub repo. This command downloads the Instabreaker tool to your device. Step 4. Enter the tools directory. Now, we move into the folder where the tool is saved. Step 5. Run the installer. This script sets up all required files and libraries for the tool. Step 6. Launch the tool. You'll be asked to enter the Instagram username and the path to your password list. The tool will then start the brute force process.
Download any password list from online.
What this tool does is use a list of passwords, one by one, and tries logging in to the specified Instagram account. This is called a brute force attack. It's slow and easy to detect, which is why it's not practical on real servers anymore. That's it for today's video. I hope you learned something valuable about how brute force attacks work. Drop a like, subscribe for more ethical hacking tutorials, and comment what you want me to cover next.